Welcome to my channel Detailed Math Solutions. In this video I'm going to show how to find the four special product with three-factor decimal higher degree terms displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises I'm going to use the special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms. A plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. This formula can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formula written in both ways. In the first exercise, the term 1.1 a squared x to the fourth power corresponds to the a in the formula, and the term 0.1 a to the third power x to the fifth power corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to 1.1 a squared x to the fourth power in parentheses squared minus 0.1 a to the third power x to the fifth power in parentheses squared. When I distribute the exponent, I have 1.1 squared a squared in parentheses squared x to the fourth power in parentheses squared minus 0.1 squared a to the third power in parentheses squared x to the fifth power in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, I have 1.21 a to the fourth power x to the eighth power minus 0.01 a to the sixth power x to the 10th power. In the next exercise, the first term minus 0.2 a to the sixth power x to the first power will correspond to the a in the formula, and the second term 1.2 a to the seventh power x to the ninth power will correspond to the b in the formula. Also, x to the first power will equal to x. Therefore, when I use the formula, this equals to minus 0.2 a to the sixth power x in parentheses squared minus 1.2 a to the seventh power x to the ninth power in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, I have minus 0.2 in parentheses squared multiplied by a to the sixth power in parentheses squared x squared minus 1.2 squared a to the seventh power in parentheses squared x to the ninth power in parentheses squared. This equals to 0.04 a to the 12th power x squared minus 1.44 a to the 14th power x to the 18th power. To solve the next exercise, I need to write the two terms within the first parentheses in a slightly different way. I need to switch their places. And when I do that, this equals to 1.3 a to the 8th power. X to the 0th power equals to 1, therefore I'm not going to write it, plus 0.3 a to the 5th power x squared multiplied by 1.3 a to the 8th power minus 0.3 a to the 5th power x squared. This way I can use the formula, and when I do that, this equals to 1.3 a to the 8th power in parentheses squared minus 0.3 a to the 5th power x squared in parentheses squared. This equals to 1.3 squared a to the 8th power squared minus 0.3 squared multiplied by a to the 5th power squared x squared in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, I get 1.69 a to the 16th power minus 0.09 a to the 10th power x to the 4th power. In the next exercise, I need to write the two terms within the second parenthesis in a slightly different way. I need to switch the places of the two terms. And when I do that, this equals to minus 0.5 a to the 8th power x minus 1.5 a to the 5th power x to the 4th power in parentheses multiplied by minus 0.5 a to the 8th power x plus 1.5 a to the 5th power x to the 4th power. This way, I can use the formula, and when I do that, it equals to minus 0.5 a to the 8th power x in parentheses squared minus 1.5 a to the 5th power x to the 4th power in parentheses squared. This simplifies to minus 0.5 in parentheses squared multiplied by a to the 8th power in parentheses squared x squared minus 1.5 squared a to the 5th power in parentheses squared x to the 4th power in parentheses squared. This equals to 0.25 a to the 16th power x squared minus 2.25 a to the 10th power x to the 8th power. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.